What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If you can't tell, my ears are still like clogged up from whatever sinus infection is going on from vacation still. I am getting ready to go do a back and bicep workout, which I am bringing you along for. So that's why I'm making my pre-workout stack, BPN. Use the link in my bio or in this video. You already know the deal. But it is right before 5 o'clock this morning, and honestly, I've had my alarm set for 5 pretty much every single day this week and not gotten up. Or 4:45, 5, whatever. In some capacity, I've snoozed my alarm every day this week, which is not like me, and it's becoming a habit, which is why I'm making myself get my ass up out of bed today, go get this workout in. I've been meaning to film all week anyways. I'm really going to get more consistent on the YouTube videos again, so need to get back into the habit of it. So that's what's going to happen. Going to take you to the gym with me, get this back and bicep workout, and then later on in the video, I have a little bit of a surprise, which honestly, it's probably in the title and the thumbnail, so you already know what it is. But just in case I don't, it's a secret. See y'all at the gym.
Welcome home. If missing you made me stronger, then I'd be Superman. If I fly around the world, it wouldn't take me longer than it would to be your man. I fight 1,000 guys, live to die 1,000 lives. Oh, I find another way to make me smarter, just so I could understand. I'll find what you're looking for, just so I could understand. Just so I could.
I told you I had a surprise, and this is my surprise. This is my son, Ziggy. Say hi, Ziggy.
Put him down.
Say hi.
He doesn't look good like that. And he's so smart. And he rings the bell to go potty.
This is our dog. Come here.
Yeah, he's such a good boy.
Of my guitar, stomp your heels into my toes, steal the keys right out my car, and I'll find a way to forgive you. I fight 1,000 guys.